What's on your mind before you start?
Just that we're going to do good today.
Yep.
The Dodgers with us. We're going to have a great show.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all have a great show.
He's going to do great. They're going to do great.
Yes, sir. Believe it. Let's go. Y'all going to do great.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Superintendent Dr. Suzanne Lacey and Principal Matt Brooks, welcome to the performance of the Lincoln High School Spirit of the Bears Marching Band. The show composer is Mike Muncher, and the color guard instructor is Mallory Duncan. The band is under the direction of Davis Henry. Tonight, the band will be performing 2 movements of their show, Wanted. Drum major Christian Brown, is your band ready?
Benton, right? 5, 6, 5, 6, ready, and.
He salutes to the crowd.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Spirit of the Bears Marching Band.
5, 6, ready, and. Five, 6, 5, 6, ready,